Hey, good morning. Welcome to the Morning Brief. Today's Wednesday, April 16th. So what do we got going on? 8:30, we had core retail sales came in at 0.5%, so it's better than expected. And retail sales came in better than expected at 1.4 versus 1.3. So what does this mean? So the question is retail sales up because prices are up, inflation is up, or is the units sold greater than the units sold previously? That's the great question. And also, is retail sales up because people are anticipating the tariffs raising prices? So we run out and buy stuff in anticipation of the um, tariffs kicking in. I don't know if this is a good number or a bad number. So we'll wait to see. The market didn't really react too much at all. 9:15 capacity utilization rate and industrial production. 10 a.m. we have business inventories in the housing market index. 10:30 we've got crude oil inventories. 12 noon FOMC member Hey Mac. And of course, the big red item of the day, 1:30, the federal chair Powell speaks. So that will definitely be a red item, and the market will be sitting up and listening to see what federal chair Powell has to say. So that being said, let's move on. Look at this compression, really getting some compression here. We're going nowhere fast, mostly sideways. Pathetic volume, really pathetic volume. I think this is a market that just doesn't believe. There's no belief. We're not going up. We're not going down. We're just not believing. And until there's a belief in one direction or the other, the market's not going to really move. Where could it go? I think moving averages are creeping down, but we're still below the moving averages. That 55.22 is a big area. To get through that, off to the races. On the downside, if we could break back down to 51.52, break that level, probably come back all the way down to 48.71. Of course, then a break below that is, look out below. Yeah. Okay, so inventory was price action was negative yesterday, but inventory was positive. Divergence. What does this mean? It means that price was going down and people were continuing to buy. Again, anytime we have divergence, we have to pay attention. Price action down, inventory up. That would lead you to believe that there are people trying to pick a bottom here or trying to get in, even on negative price action. Overnight action, approximately 85 points, so much bigger than yesterday. 85 points is still way, way, way above average. So where is support and resistance? So if we go to resistance on the top side, definitely some resistance around 54.32. And there's a zone up here. I'm going to call it 54.60 area. We can get above that 55.20 area. The reason why I'm being area is because the emotions of the market are making support and resistance levels very difficult. They don't necessarily hold very well. Momentum is king. Support. We got some support down here at 53.40. We break below that 53.10 and 53.04, 5300. So there's a bunch of stuff down here around 5300. We break that. Man, it's not a lot until you get down into the 52.50 area. So there's your levels. Stock Trader's Almanac today is 66.7, 66.7. So we have a positive bias from the historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Remember, Friday's an off day. Good Friday is Friday, so we only have today and tomorrow. Holiday on Friday. Talk to you tomorrow. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.